Taking this boy who talks. All he does is yap, 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 yap. So guess what? He going to spring break camp today. My ears going to rest today. My ears are going to rest at home today because, look,
Until 5:30.
as a homeschool parent, spring break camp is holiday time for me.
Until 5:30, your ears aren't getting to use break.
Okay. I guess. But still,
Your ears getting break.
I am going to enjoy.
7 hours.
We're going to enjoy the quiet morning
Morning.
and afternoon while this sweet boy is at spring break camp. So, if you homeschool, highly recommend camp for a nice week off. Love you, baby boy.